Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display the most used apps on the Start menu on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best result, you come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go select the Personalization tile. And then you want to select Start on the left panel here. And then on the right side where it says Show Most Used Apps, toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.